Good morning. Today is May 5th, Cinco De Mayo, 2022. I am at a WTA work party today at the Pratt Connector Trail. And yeah, here we go. And oh yeah, it's a bit rainy today. First order of business is to fix drainage, and in this section of trail here, first we're gonna remove some organic material from the trail here. Okay, the time is about 11:21. We're just finished for today in this section. We took down some berms on this side and rolled a couple logs further down the hill out of the way. Did a little drain work, and yeah, that's what we did so far.